So the first stock here up on screen, APD. This is a company that is involved with industrial gases, primarily hydrogen and helium. It has positions in a number of growth markets, semiconductor materials, as well as home healthcare, advanced coatings and adhesives, as well as a few others. Take a look at some of the graphics here up on screen. This is one of its large industrial plants in China. You can see this is a very large industrial complex. This is a very large company that has these sorts of rigs all over the world. You can see that here from the graph. This is from the 2017 Investor Annual Report. You can see financial highlights here, consolidated sales by region. This is a global company. You can see US, Canada, Europe, Middle East, India, China, Asia, Latin America. It has operations all over the world. And on the right there, you can see consolidated sales by business segment. IG there is industrial gases, and you can see here primarily Americas and Europe and Asia account for most of its business. But again, it is a global company. Also in its annual report here was a statement on some of the goals it sort of outlined a few years back, and you can see here that it definitely is reaching its goals. Again, this is from the annual report. This is definitely meant to spur some optimism within the company, within the investors in the company. So take that into consideration when kind of looking at these statistics here. But again, it's a company that's growing, and again, it's a very, very good company. In fact, it's a dividend aristocrat, a company that has had increasing dividends for 25 plus years. And actually, if you take a look at its dividend increase, it's been increasing its dividend for the last 36 years, really reaching towards becoming a dividend king. Those are companies that not only give an annual dividend, but also increase that annual dividend for 50 straight years. So very, very good company, quality company. Take a look at its performance over the past 1 year here. You can see, like most companies in the S&P 500, it is down here over the short term. 1 year graph, however, 21.56%. That is phenomenal performance. Even with this big pullback here over the last few months or so, for the last 5 years, it's up 105.76%. But take a look at some of its statistics here. Dividend yield, 2.453%. The most recent dividend will have a 4.3% dividend yield just because, again, of this big pullback here over the last few months or so since the last dividend payment. So the important dates for this particular company, the ex-dividend date will be on the 29th, just a couple days here. The payment date will be on May 14th, $1.10 per share for a dividend yield right around 4.3% or so. So a very good company with a quality dividend that can, again, be used in a dividend capture swing trade type of strategy or holding this for the longer term. So not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. Again, if you guys have any good stocks that can be utilized in this type of strategy, please let me know in the comment threads down below. If there are quite a few good ones, I'll definitely do an updated video for you guys. So not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. Again, if you guys have any comments on this video, other videos, please let me know down below. If you guys do enjoy my videos, if you guys do enjoy the content on the channel, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Definitely appreciate all of the support on the channel. And until next video, we'll see you then.